Hello, ma'am. Hello, attorney. Ikaw, Director Doc? Ayan guys, Group 1.
Hello. Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to present to you the scenario for Group 1, stressing on optimal mental well-being and minimal mental illness. Lights, yeah. Camera, action. The scene is at the Cozy Cafe, where Alex sits at a table, looking stressed and distracted. Jamie approaches with a warm smile. Hey Alex, you look a bit overwhelmed. Want to chat?
Yeah, I've been feeling really stressed lately. Work has been crazy, and I just don't know how to manage it all.
I get it. It can be tough. Have you tried any self-care techniques?
I get it. It could be tough. Have you tried? Not really. I've been so busy. I don't even know where to start.
How about starting with something simple? Regular exercise can really help with stress. Even a short walk can clear your mind.
Well, that's great. And what about that sound you have on? I used to love going for walks.
Last 5 minutes.
Great. And what about your sleep? Are you getting enough rest?
Not really.
Palingot. Kurang nag-release siya, sir. Palingot. Okay, tara. Sige. Inom lang po kape.
You know what? I've been staying up late working and scrolling on my phone lately.
O dili mag-cellphone, dili mamilar ng mga stress. A digital detox might help. Try limiting your screen time before bed. It could improve your sleep quality.
Well, that makes sense. I've noticed I feel more anxious after scrolling.
Murag chat GPT mo.
Exactly. Also consider practicing mindfulness,
Murag
like meditation or deep breathing exercises. They can help reduce stress.
I've heard about mindfulness, but never tried it.
I can help you get started. We could do a short meditation together right now if you want.
Well, that sounds good. Would you like to show us or some exercise that give us relaxation?
I'm glad. It's all about building those coping skills. Also, how's your social life? Are you connecting with friends? Are you chatting with friends or someone somewhere?
Well, I haven't been hanging out much.
That's
I feel too stressed to socialize.
Making time for friends is really important. It can boost your mood and provide support. How about we plan a fun outing this weekend? Wanna join in Davao?
Well, that sounds nice.
Good.
I miss hanging out.
Also, and remember, if you ever feel like it's too much, talking to a therapist can really help you process everything.
I'll keep that in mind. Thanks for the support, Jamie. I feel more hopeful now.
Anytime, Alex. Just remember, taking small steps towards well-being can make a big difference.
Thank you very much, Jamie.
Okay, so shall we start? Drink our coffee and have exercise later.
Ladies and gentlemen, on stage,
Thank you for that
Alex?
advice, my friend Jamie. You're such a genuine friend.
Because I'm your friend, you can count on me all the time. But when you drink coffee, ayaw ko taging kutsara kaya mo nila makabutan ng kape.
Ako sana nakabuka.
Oh, wala ayaw pag ninom ng kape nga na kutsarita kaya makabutan. Thank you.
ladies and gentlemen, on stage, Group 1, Alex is Dr. Pabiliran and Jamie is Dr. Martinez. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Group 1. They show optimal mental well-being, minimal mental illness. What is important to draw from that is that if you have optimal mental well-being, who do you think manifested optimal mental well-being? Si Ma'am Joy, right? Yes, correct. So, if you have maximum well-being and minimal mental illness, likely you can help others. You're only not productive, you are also able to help others take care of their own mental health. That's why it's good to have a lot of co-employees who are flourishing in terms of mental health. Because if all of us are down in terms of mental health, then where will we get our support system? Alright, now Group 2 will demonstrate minimal mental well-being, maximum mental illness. This is what we want to avoid. And this is what we want to avoid, to have maximum mental illness, minimal mental well-being. Let us welcome Group 2.